Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Roblox profile picture for YouTube on your mobile device. First, launch the Roblox app and personalize your avatar to perfection. Select a simple, contrasting background to make your character stand out. Carefully position your avatar, ensuring it occupies roughly 2/3 of your screen for optimal cropping. This initial setup is crucial for a high-quality profile picture that truly represents your channel. Now, let's capture that perfect shot. Take a high-resolution screenshot of your avatar on your mobile device. Make sure the lighting is excellent and your avatar is sharply in focus, without any blur. A crisp image is essential for a professional look. Once you have your ideal shot, save this screenshot directly to your phone's photo gallery. This will be the base for your new YouTube profile picture. With your screenshot saved, it's time to refine it using a mobile photo editor. Crop the image into a perfect square, ideally around 800 by 800 pixels, focusing tightly on your avatar. Enhance the picture by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your avatar pop. You might also consider adding a small, subtle border or your channel name for extra flair. Finally, let's get your new profile picture onto YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device and go to your channel page. Tap on your existing profile picture, then choose the option to change it. Select your beautifully edited Roblox image from your gallery. Position it within the circular frame, ensuring your avatar is centered, and then save your changes. Your new PFP will be live in moments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.